Yo guys, what up? Me, Patrick LeVar. So I'm on another mission here. We're looking for symmetry, and I found a really cool shot. If you can kind of see it right behind me, this building here, definitely symmetry. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab this shot really quickly here. Now I'm gonna use my camera here. I'm gonna be using the Pro mode, which is full manual mode. Again, if you do not understand how to use your camera in Pro mode, I have a guide down here in the link below that will help you out and basically teach you how to use the Pro mode. So what I'm gonna do here is, you can quickly see it. We can't see anything, and that's basically because of my shutter speed is super wide open. So we're gonna close that down. And I'm just going to get that so I can get the clouds a little bit exposed. I prefer to go darker than lighter, so I'm thinking right about there. And then what I'll do is grab my manual focus, and I'm gonna set it to infinity so you can see that green little halo. That's what I'm looking for right there. ISO as low as possible. Now I'm just gonna kind of frame it up here. We're looking for symmetry. So with my rule of thirds, I'm gonna try to get these to be on the exact same point here. I try to split the difference here, see if we can get that. Get a little bit closer as much as I can, get closer here, and kind of line those up. I'm kind of using the pillars up here to kind of gauge where I'm going to go ahead and get these to line up. And alright guys, so I found another spot. This bridge here, perfect example of some symmetry happen here. I'm gonna grab a shot on this one here too. Looks like they found a little bit of reflective symmetry. If I had a wide enough lens, I can get the whole thing in that shot. Alright guys, I found another building with symmetry. Unfortunately for where I live, there's just nothing but buildings. It's a good shot here, huh? I'm gonna gotta do something like this. More in the middle. And fire. Let's get one also low here like this. Get this lady right in the middle, huh? I missed her. Let's get her without the shot.